Salim Ibro, the Minister for Employment from the Somalian government.
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Mr. President, Director General, Chairperson of the governing body, distinguished delegates. It is a true honor for me to address the 140th section of the International Labour Conference on behalf of the Federal Government of Somalia. I would also like to extend my congratulations to you, Mr. President, on your election to preside over this section, and to wish you every success in guiding our deliberations. Somalia also expresses its appreciation to the International Labour Office for its continued dedication to bringing together governments, employers and workers in pursuit of a more just and inclusive future of work. The focus of the Director General's report closely reflects Somalia's current realities as well as its national ambitions. The 2026 report highlights directly to the challenges we are facing today, while also aligned with our vision for inclusive growth and decent work. It underscores the importance of ensuring that digital transformation and artificial intelligence serve as tools for opportunity rather than exclusion, fully supporting Somalia's commitment to building a labour market based on skills development, social justice and equal opportunities for all. In 2026, Somalia's labour and economic situation is characterized by both persistent challenges and emerging opportunities. Our economy is gradually recovering, supported by ongoing reforms, expanding private sector activities, and the rapid growth of mobile money and digital services, which are opening new pathways for entrepreneurship and employment. However, the labour market continues to face significant structural challenges, including high levels of informality, youth unemployment, and mismatch between skills and labour market needs in a country with a very young and fast-growing population. One of our most pressing challenges remains youth unemployment. Following extensive labour market assessments, we continue to observe a clear gap between the skills of job seekers and the demands of employers. In response, Somalia is undertaking reforms of its technical and vocational education and training system, shifting towards competence-based, market-driven approaches that are better aligned with labour market realities. We are also strengthening partnership between training institutions and the private sector to ensure that young people acquire practical, employable skills that lead to real job opportunities. At the same time, Somalia recognizes the growing importance of the digital and platform economy as a driver of future employment. We support efforts to ensure that technological transformation creates opportunities for decent work while safeguarding workers' rights, fair remuneration, adequate social protection and safe working conditions. Distinguished delegates, nearly 75% of Somalia's workforce depends on the informal economy for their livelihoods. While this sector remains essential for income generation and survival, many workers continue to operate outside formal labour protections and social security systems, often facing low wages, unsafe working conditions, excessive working hours, and limited legal protection. For Somalia, the transition toward formalization is not only an economic objective, it's a matter of dignity, fairness, and social justice. Over the past 2 years, we have intensified efforts to progressively extend labour protections and decent work opportunities to all workers through strengthening labour governance, inspection systems, and enhanced social dialogue. We firmly believe that sustainable labour reform can only succeed through effective tripartite, where governments, employers, and workers work together to build inclusive, fair and protective labour markets. I am also pleased to report that Somalia has made significant progress over the past 2 years in strengthening labour governance and institutions. In February 2026, we operationalized the Labour Code, the Private Recruitment Agency regulations, and the National Labour Migration Policy. During this period, we have strengthened labour inspection systems through recruitment and training of inspectors to improve compliance, occupational safety and health, and the protection of workers' rights. Somalia has also advanced bilateral labour migration agreements aimed at ensuring safe, orderly and ethical migration while protecting migrant workers from exploitation and abuse. Somalia is also among the countries most severely affected by climate change. Recurrent floods, droughts, and environmental degradation continue to disrupt livelihood and displace communities across the country. In response, we have placed just transition at the center of our labour agenda, integrating climate resilience and green skills into vocational training to prepare our workforce for the opportunities of a greener economy. We also reaffirm our strong commitment to gender equality, working to expand opportunities for women through skills development, entrepreneurship, employment protection, promotion and social protection, ensuring inclusive participation in economic life. Mr. President, the Director General's report reminds us of the urgent need to ensure that the future of work is shaped by inclusion, fairness and opportunity for all. It reinforces the importance of placing people at the center of technological transformation so that progress in artificial intelligence and digitalization translates into decent social justice and shared prosperity. We sincerely thank the Alio for its continued support and solidarity. Somalia deeply values international cooperation and remains committed to working together for a fair, safe and inclusive world of work for all. Thank you.
Gracias. Convocamos.
Thank you.